Hi, I'm Dan Natkin, Vice President of Wood and Laminate Products at Mannington. I'm proud to be here to take you through our 2021 hardwood introductions. Hardwood is a critical part of our portfolio. We're continuing to focus on elevating our line with on-trend visuals consumers are looking for, like long and wide planks and premium slice face veneers. The overall theme of this year's introductions is to focus on bringing stunning visuals at meaningful price points. Kristen Delbove, our Director of Residential Styling, will tell you more about these exciting new introductions. Kristen?
When you think about the key market trends that are emerging in hardwood for 2021, texture is very important. Scrapes are going softer and more refined. Hand-planed wire brush looks are taking center stage. Gloss levels are coming down, and the warm, natural beauty of wood is being celebrated. The color palette keeps going lighter, with Scandinavian Nordic influences, but darks and midtones will always be a classic hardwood flooring choice, especially for the remodel market. First in our introductions is Kodiak. Unapologetically rustic best describes this global boho-inspired product. The hand-stained and hand-scraped finish creates a warm, rich visual that lends itself perfectly to the eco-friendly vibe that is growing in popularity. This sustainably harvested plantation white teak species comes in a 5-inch width with lengths up to 4 feet. Kodiak will add warmth and beauty to your home with its rich 4-color palette. Next is a refreshed take on one of our most popular products. We've given our Mountain View Hickory product line a complete makeover this year. In keeping with the longer, wider trend that has taken the market by storm, we are proud to introduce Mountain View XL. Mountain View XL is a 6.5-inch wide, 7-foot version of our best-selling Mountain View product line. Best described as perfectly rustic, Mountain View features artisan hand scraping and hand staining. This floor features handsome character and dramatic graining. We have retained the 4 top-selling colors, Autumn, Bark, Fawn, and Smoke, and added 2 new lighter, Scandi Nordic-influenced colors, Champagne and Platinum, that are sure to spark inspiration.
Our Latitude collection has quickly become a top seller. For 2021, we are adding 2 new products to the collection. The first is a simple yet elegant color addition to Park City. When we looked at the colors in Park City, we realized that the collection needed a true natural to round out the mix, and that's what's being added. Park City is an elegant 7.5-inch wide sliced white oak product with lengths up to 7 feet long. The other addition to Latitude is Forest Park. It's no surprise that hickory is one of the most popular species in flooring today. It's durable, versatile, and creates a unique and sophisticated visual in the home. Forest Park, the latest addition to the Latitude collection, is a 7.5-inch wide premium slice face hickory with extra long lengths up to 7 feet long.
One of my favorite things about Forest Park is the color palette. Forest Park comes in 4 hand-stained colors: Twig, Sunbeam, Natural, and Trail, with subtle wire brushing that accentuates the color variation and warmth that can only be found in a hickory floor. Forest Park is the perfect fit for the grand millennial trend, embracing tradition with a fresh outlook. Forest Park is sure to create a bold yet refined statement in the home.
Lastly, I want to showcase a recently launched special premium hardwood collection, Sanctuary. Available in 6 colors, this European white oak is elevated to an even higher level with an ultra matte finish that allows the natural character to look very soft and elegant. With massive planks that come in at 9.5 inches wide and lengths up to 7 feet long, this is a simple and clean visual without sacrificing the wood's natural beauty. As a final reminder, the entire Mannington hardwood line features an industry-leading scratch protection wear layer, Scratch Resist, which helps to keep our hardwood floors looking newer, longer. Thank you so much for learning about Mannington's new hardwood product introductions for 2021. We are excited about what we are launching and hope you are as well. Good selling!